This is the Infinix Smart 8, elder brother of the previous Infinix Smart 7. Hello guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to do unboxing and review of the Infinix Smart 8. Please stick around to find out. Last few months, we witnessed the existing launch of the Smart 7. Now, this is the Smart 8. If you're new to my channel or this is the first time of you coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you'll be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you are watching. First of all, let's start with the price. The lowest variant comes with 64 gig of internal storage and 6 GB of RAM, goes around 80,000 naira. The second variant also offers 64 gig of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. The price goes around 85,000 naira. Then the highest variant comes with 128 gig of internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. Price around 100,000 naira. All three variants has the same features except for their storage. They have the same processor, design, battery capacity, camera and the display. This phone comes with 6.6 inches display. Another aspect is that it also features 90Hz refresh rate. Now let's talk about the build quality. When looking at it, the back looks so shiny. So take a look at it. The back and the rear is made with plastic material. So take a look at the back. I might say that the Tecno Pop 8 and the itel A70, it's easy for me to say that these three devices look alike. Another thing is that this phone is powered by some TC06 processor, the same processor that is powered by the itel S23 Plus. Still on the rear is the Infinix branding at the bottom, followed by the huge camera module and a huge flashlight. Moving to the camera aspect, it comes with 13 megapixel main camera and a depth sensor. The same deal from what we get from the Smart 7. At the right hand side, we get the volume rocker key and the power button, which serve as the fingerprint scanner, which is one among the major upgrades from the Smart series. Type-C charging port, a microphone, speaker grill and headphone jack, all located at the bottom. And the SIM slot for 2 nano SIM card with the support of the SD card can be seen from the left. Moving to the display, it supports 8 megapixel punch hole not selfie camera. Take a look at the camera. It also supports magic ring, which is useful for notification, charging status and call status, which is a nice use of the punch hole area. Well, that impressed me. As for the size, the Infinix Smart 8 comes with 6.6 inches LCD display, while the resolution remains at 720 pixels with a support of 90Hz refresh rate. For that extra dash of smart scrolling, you can switch in between 60Hz or 90Hz if you wish to do so. Please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I'm making when doing this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also turn on that notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Let's move to the battery aspect. The Smart 8 is powered by stock TC06 processor, runs on Android 13 Go edition, and supports of 5000 mAh battery capacity. As for the screen resolution, is 720 by 1612. As for the unboxing experience, the first thing you see is the phone, and everything else is packed haphazardly inside the box. There is a 10 watts fast charger, a Type-C cable, and a pair of earpiece, the SIM ejector tool, and a protective case. It comes with 128 GB internal storage and 8 GB of RAM. Wow, that is incredible. Let's talk about other things. Please, if you're enjoying this video and the effort I'm making when doing this video, why can't you subscribe and also hit that bell icon so that we'll be updated whenever I drop a new video, just like this one you're watching. Moving up to the performance, under the hood is the UNOSOC TC06 chipset, a 12 nanometer processor, and truthfully not the most powerful chipset for gamers, but for basic usage is a decent offering. During my time playing eFootball on 60 FPS on highest graphics settings, the processor proved incapable of running the game smoothly. Speaking of photos, these are some of the pictures taken with the Infinix Smart 8. So tell me the color that came out and the image that the camera produced on the comment section below. That is by the way, this is my unboxing and review of the Infinix Smart 8. Please, if you have any question, drop your comments on the comment section below. Please consider by subscribing to my channel. Catch you guys on next one. Peace out.